If air accelerates your business, if air catalyzes your growth, if air is the inseparable need of your industry. So, don't let the moisture in it to suffocate your future. When the air is supplied through pneumatic parts of your machines, make sure that it's free from any type of contamination. Generally, compressed air is vulnerable to various types of contaminations that greatly reduces its value as a power source and can have a profound effect on the machinery that it operates. Moisture is the most common and the most hazardous contaminant present in the air. When you have compressors to develop pneumatic pressure, the fresh atmospheric air sucked by the compressor gets partly converted into moisture. The compression of the air helps it convert to moisture due to condensation. If this moisture is not separated, it will obstruct the path of fresh air. There is approximately about 35 grams of water in 1 cubic meter of atmospheric air. 1 cubic meter of air weighs approximately 1 kg, that is 1000 grams. That means 3.5% of air may be moisture, and that is harmful in compressed air pipeline. You would be surprised to know that over 80% of moisture comprises particles less than 2 microns in size, and these easily pass through a typical compressor intake filter. This moisture must be removed from the compressed air line as it corrodes the pipeline and equipments, damages coatings, contaminates the product batch, lubricants, and washes it from pneumatic loops. But I'm here not to discuss problems, I'm here to give a solution. Hydrint Moisture Separator is a revolutionary product from the Airmax Group. Hydrint Moisture Separator can protect the expensive pneumatic equipments at your factory. By just installing Hydrint Moisture Separator beside different machines, you can stop moisture to enter your apparatus and protect its internal parts, particularly rubber parts. As you can see, this is a lubricator which is full of water. It's connected with 2 separate lines, one for air with water and the other for compressed air. But before I proceed, let me make this very clear that this presentation is a demo presentation only. Hydrint Moisture Separator incorporates 2 types of separating tools. The first of which is the baffle type. When the air strikes against the reinforced steel baffle provided within the separator on the inlet, there is a further compression at the point of strike. Any water in liquid or fog form will be initially separated at this stage itself before it has a chance to enter the innards of the separator. This greatly increases the life of the collaser while performing as a separator itself. After the air has been relieved of some of its separator by the baffle, it's subject to another relieving mechanism, the collaser. See, this is how this collaser operates. The moisture has a tendency to be attracted to the solid stainless steel due to cohesive forces. Any gathering of water will form a drop which increases in size and eventually becomes heavy enough to drop downwards to be collected and disposed of. Now, fresh air is there in the outlet. And for the draining purpose, there are various types of units available, such as electrical, manual, or mechanical base. Okay, now pay attention to the installation part. Please install the moisture separator near the machine. It should always be installed in a vertical position, and the most important thing, it should be installed according to the size of the pipeline. So friends, you must have made up your minds by now. Now you know how to safeguard your business from the cancer of moisture. So don't wait, go for the Hydrint now. Let me take the privilege to introduce to the wonderful company that produces such a wonderful product. Welcome to Airmax Pneumatics Limited.